Hi, I'm Gary Sislow, Senior Consultant at Walker Consultants here in Chicago. A beautiful sunny day. So currently we're doing a rope access inspection of the facade at this high-rise building. And it's providing a cost-effective option for the client to get close-up, detailed inspection findings and solutions for their facade. Currently, we are inspecting for the city's facade ordinance, as well as we have a sloped roof over here that has ice dams and davits mounted onto the sloped roof. So we're doing a close-up inspection for the building to provide an assessment for current condition and any maintenance and repair needs. And the benefit of the rope access is we're able to get close up without having to bring a stage onto the building. So quicker mobilization and lower costs.